Hello, my name is Dan Miner. I'm a second generation owner of Industrial Screen and Maintenance, and today I'd like to introduce you our urethane patented pipe drifts. These were patented by my father in 1982, and they were designed to run with either a vacuum or air-blown system. What we do is this is a urethane pipe drift with a steel metal core in it to hold straightness, and it's capable of being blown through the pipe or sucked through the pipe, or the conventional means with a tape and pulled through the pipe. What they provide for our customers is they provide a abrasion resistant tubing drift, and they do not scratch or mar the inside of a pipe and or the coatings on the inside of a pipe. These were patented in order to be able to operate a vacuum system that we incorporated back then. And we have these available in any color. They are available normally same day. We go from the customer specification, we machine them right to spec, and then they're ready to ship. If you're interested in any of our pipe or tubing drifts, please give us a call or visit our website at industrialscreen.com, and we can provide these for you same day.